Da 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 knock, baby. Da Nẵng, Việt Nam. Going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 knock, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang no dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang. Danang of Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vietnam. Danang, Vietnam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby. Danang, Vietnam.
Okay, so University of Danang is kind of large, but this one is the University of Foreign Languages, and this is the front gate. And there's kind of some little restaurants along here, including right in here. Let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And I think what I'm going to do is maybe walk around the block, I guess. All right, stay tuned. University of Danang, Foreign Language Studies. Okay, we're in Danang, Vietnam, up on the map, so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're going to be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is going to be there. Let's get right into it, as if you're there yourself. So let's go across the street first. And so, yeah, University of Danang. Oops, there we go. University of Foreign Languages, University of Danang. Dai Hoc Danang. Dai Hoc is same in other Chinese, like Chinese language and humanity, creativity, adaptability. So there's education philosophy there, and some students around. Let's just walk. I think we're gonna walk around it and see what's around it. I'm kind of curious myself. Coffee shops. I think the other side, this street would be more interesting. Coffee shops. Kind of looking to see some kind of creative stuff, university stuff. Let's see. Ban Bao. It's kind of interesting. Sometimes what the university students get is kind of tasty. Okay. So I think we can walk down that way. So I think that's going to be our plan. So let's just kind of meander around a little bit. We're gonna walk on the uneven sidewalk. Everything goes here, right? Plants, motorcycles, shoes to dry out, more beautified plants. Cars can park on the sidewalk. There's houses right here. Looks pretty cool. Okay. See what else is around here. So I don't know much about the university. I know that it's University of Danang is the largest one, but I think there's all kinds of different branches. So I just chose the University of Foreign Studies. Just kind of randomly. There's like science, and they're kind of spread out as far as I can tell. There's a Polytech college over there, so that whole building is, says Polytech. Coffee shop over here. Let's walk over that way. So yeah, that looks kind of interesting. We're gonna walk this way a little bit. Definitely feels like a university area. Oh, you got the same color pants, same jacket, same pants, same shoes. Okay, let me just see here. It's like kind of a restaurant there. So now we can see parts of the university. It's funny, all the leaves have fallen, so there's leaves everywhere. A lot of different food to explore. Just to give you a real quick, I've been kind of where all the tourists go, so I haven't really seen where Vietnamese go. So I decided today to come over and take a look. So I just put a university one in it so I could find something. Lots of cafes. Some of these roads look quite chilled and relaxed. So if you're a college student, you can come over and hang out in one of these cafes. It's one of the universities. Let me see. Lots of places to eat. So the restaurant's kind of blocked by sidewalks. I guess it's because, maybe if I really think about it, it's because most of the properties are kind of narrow, but there's a lot of space in there, and they bring everything out. And I want to eat outside too, to be honest. So I can kind of understand it. There's another cafe. Another cafe that way. It looks like the university is right there. So I guess this university is one block. And I guess we'll just kind of take a look. More cafes. So the university is all right there. Looks like there's a front gate over here too. Stationery, you can buy all your paper. And then that's the there's British Council reference right there. IELTS. Okay. More small restaurants. I think they cater towards the students. I bet all the prices are really low. Yeah, let me see. 15K. When you're in the tourist area, everything is like 100K, you know. But you're getting all, like in the tourist area, there's even like Detroit pizza, Western pizza, all kinds of stuff. Bird cage. Okay, so anyways, this is a little slice of the university area. I'm just gonna find something different to film, but I'm just giving you little snippets because it's That's enough, I think.